Hello everybody, welcome back to Joystick, that's what this is called. Alright, this is the moment of truth. No!
Should I go back?
I don't know. You're on the wrong side of heaven and the righteous side of hell right now.
I don't know what I should do. I feel like I should go back and just start over.
I feel like you should go back too, but I also feel like if you try to go back, it's going to launch you forward. Oh good, it didn't launch you forward. Because at least you're not in the rock and a hard place anymore. Yeah. But you still got this shit to worry about.
Yeah.
Woo!
Wow. At least I got on that wood.
You can get on my wood.
Schwap.
Oh, that. It's pretty nice. Oh.
Are you fucking
Oh. Why'd you go all the way back?
Because I want to. I meant to do that.
It makes me feel like I'm making progress.
I'm going somewhere. Yes, okay. Yes.
Sometimes the best part is just to get a change of scenery.
This
Nice. You didn't have enough juice on that one.
Yeah, well, I was thinking it was gonna over. It went the wrong way. I was expecting it to flip the other way.
Yeah, you never really know.
Yeah, it just kind of happens. Now, what were the? Oh, I thought I was gonna flip. I was like, what were the odds of that happening?
Oh, just whiffed it, man.
Come on, dude.
Whee!
I'm not even bad going back there. It's worse going back on the rock. The rock was just terrible. That fucking does suck, though. All these episodes, and now we're just back where we started.
But actually, this is probably a better place to be than any other place, except when the part you're gonna fall down later.
Yeah.
Because that's inevitable.
I probably shouldn't go. Fucking me, asshole.
Yeah, because there's no way you were gonna make it back onto that. Nice backflip, bro. But there's no way once you hit that tree. There's no way you're gonna.
Dude.
There's no way you're gonna land back up on the rock. You just barely whiff that every time.
Christ, dude. Fuck, dude. Oh, come on, bud. Oh.
You just pick up the stress hammer.
Yeah, I'd rather throw that. How many times have I slid down this?
Every time.
Fucking me right now. Oh, wow. Right. That's gotta get up there.
Having trouble getting it up?
Need a little Viagra. Hey.
Right in the little crevice.
Viagra.
Oh, that's. You might as well fall back down. Holy shit! I don't know if that's a good omen or a bad omen. Oh.
Fuck me, dude.
I thought about doing an F-word counter on this, but
I'm gonna climb back up.
it's not possible. Maybe with the shuriken, but anything else. So how are you feeling about completing this game at this point?
Definitely not gonna happen.
What next episode? Do you want to use the shuriken or?
I don't know. Kind of getting attached to the axe. Wow, this sucks. This is a shitty spot to be in.
That's the spot I grind in to get the shuriken for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Fuck me.
There and that where you just hit.
That was pretty solid. That was pretty good landing there.
I think if this game didn't have the nice aesthetic of the flipping axe, I would never have played it.
And it's pretty garbage.
It just feels so great when it actually does hit something, you know? But then when you hear that stone hit axe metal sound... Yeah, there's no way getting up that post. You guys start from higher up on the wood.
What happens if we do half speed? Yes.
That's what you wanted all along.
That's what I was looking for, baby. Get up that bitch. Nope. There's still a chance. Nope.
It's the axe handle, man. It gets you every time. Yeah. Although, I'm glad this game is free. You know? Because I couldn't imagine paying money for the Bennett Foddy version. Or the original version, I guess it is. Nice! got a little inception going on there in the bottom screen.
Damn it, I knew better and I messed up.
There's music to this game.
Is it trash?
No, it's pretty interesting, but it's all copyrighted, so I couldn't use it.
Oh, damn it, that's right.
I'm trying to monetize.
Oh, that's fucking glorious.
That's the angle right there.
You lied to me.
I didn't exactly lie.
But I'm back in this spot, and you might as well just fucking give up. Well, actually, I probably could nudge it off. Maybe.
Yeah. You gotta have it stop moving first. Dude, try to aim for the top of the wooden block there.
It's not gonna happen.
I will. I bet you it's gonna land right in the wood.
Why do you want to bet on that? It was a shit angle.
A shangle.
You're bad.
You know what's weird is with my game capture that I have, or screen capture that I have right now, even though you can see the mouse moving on the screen for me and you, it's stuck at wherever I hit the record button. So it's just like right there in the middle of the screen.
That's awkward.
Yeah. I could fix that if I were to be smart and move everything around and such, but I didn't want to do that. We have devolved into just noises.
Fuck! I just went there.
I think you're actually worse at this game than I was.
Why would it land stick up? I wonder why. Of all ways I could have fucking landed, of course it lands. Fucking
Hashtag stick up. This is a stick up.
I hate you so fucking much.
Don't worry. No one hates me more than me. Oh.
Ah!
Yeah, just click a clack it.
Yes.
We're gonna log it down. Just kidding. Oh! Alright, this is the trajectory angle bitch here. Less is more in this aspect. Probably right about there is good. Land back on top. No.
I'm fine with that. I'm actually not that mad. I'm pretty mad now. How far did you get with the axe?
Farther. I landed on the stump by myself.
Okay.
But that was when I wasn't recording. When I was recording...
Oh, okay.
I mean, yeah, no proof. I get it. But when I was playing those 25 extra minutes trying to get this stuff, the hits,
Yeah.
I was like trying to go as far as possible, see how well I could do. And then once I fell from there again, I'm like, fuck it, I'm just gonna get how many hits to get the shuriken. But to get the double-sided axe, man, you need to beat the game.
Yeah, I saw that's what you gotta do for the bow.
I don't think the bow is really helpful at all.
Well, it kind of depends though, because you imagine to shoot an arrow. If the arrow is what you gotta do,
It doesn't shoot an arrow.
You just throw a bow.
You throw a bow.
That's fucking retarded. Dude.
I'm pretty sure. At least in the intro screen, that's what it shows.
I'm gonna hold my breath.
That's the end of the episode. We're gonna log it down here. Subscribe to become a key today to unlock future content. Like and share this with your friends. Make me YouTube famous. Yada yada yada. Bye guys.